ABML stock, American Battery Metals Corp. It closed the session of the 25th of August 2021 at $1.25, a retracement of 3.85%. 3.5 million shares crossed the tape during that session, and it seems it's slightly up in the post-market / pre-market of the 26th of August 2021. We have a position in ABML. Market capitalization is $715.9 million. 572.75 million shares are outstanding, but that may not be the shares on float. That is the ones that are tradable, that are available to be traded in the public. So moving on, we can see what's going on with American Battery Metals. So it's been consolidating, yet at the same time we have seen it has clearly broken out of the pattern. It's now clearly broken out of the pattern, now retracing, implying that those who are pessimistic, those who are not confident, the bears, those who are shorting the stock have clearly won the argument. Those who are bullish or positive or about the stock are clearly not getting involved with ABML at the moment. So that is why we are seeing the stock retrace and get discounted at the moment. So in the medium term, the trend is a bearish one, but on the underlying trend is still very much a bullish one. So if that is any hope, if that is going to give you any hope, the underlying trend is still very much bullish, and maybe the machines and the humans as well might remember that. But in any case, right now it is very much bearish, very much bearish. So we can see what's going on here. The readouts below, we can see that the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is indicating the stock is oversold. RSI is not good at all. It's at 37.4, indicating that the signals are very much bearish or tending to a bearish one. It appears to be consolidating within a longer term uptrend. The average directional index, or the ADX, is below 20, indicating that the shares have traded sideways recently. However, the 200-day moving average is still sloping bullishly upwards. Comparative Relative Strength analysis shows the issue is lagging the S&P 500. The momentum for ABML stock is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. The volume for the 25th of August was lighter than usual, trading 3.525 million shares versus an average of 6.066 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. The volatility for the last 10 days is 191.06%. So we're seeing that the volume and the momentum is validating that there is a lack of buying interest for sure, but at the same time we saw this low volume, lighter than usual. There's a good chance because of that, amongst other things, the retracement may not really continue as such. Even if it's going to continue, it won't be that bad, so yes, I expect it to even slightly retrace further to at least to 1.15, probably even close to $1. But at the same time as well, we can evidently see that the stock is trading at a discount to all of its short and intermediate moving averages. That is the 10-day, 20-day and 50-day moving averages. It is traded at a discount to them. So the same folks who are also taking money off the stock are also observing this as well. So if they take their money off the stock, if it continues to retrace further, those who took their money off at higher prices may want to come back and buy at a lower price, especially those who made money, who made profit. They're observing what's going on. They might want to come back. So the opportunity to buy is improving, even though we believe the bearishness will continue. Okay, so looking at the trading range, we can see what's going on here. The trading range we have is that for the 10-day one standard deviation trading range is between 1.5351 to 1.642 $6452. That's the 10-day one standard deviation trading range. For the 20-day, it's 1.6360 to 1.7582, and then for the 50-day, it is 2.0225 to 2.2964. So for that 10-day trading range, it's not even for any of those all of these three one standard deviation trading ranges. ABML stock is not even trading within any of them. So this is just a validation that the stock is trading at a discount. So it is just a validation that the stock is getting cheaper. The opportunity to buy is improving. So this is not to say that you should. I'm saying you must buy. So it's just the opportunity to buy is improving, and that is also what other market participants are viewing, as I indicated earlier on. So okay, so that's what's going on right now with ABML stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.